Brickyard 4469 TCAS, sorry, we're recovering.
Brickyard 4469, would you like to go around?
Negative, we got it.
JetBlue 1155, turn right taxiway Foxtrot, ground point 7, have a good day.
Foxtrot, ground point 7, JetBlue
87, wind 220 at 11, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
19 clear for takeoff, Brickyard 226,
Brickyard 4469, do you remember how high that was?
We were about 1,200 feet. There was somebody diving straight onto us, Brickyard 4469.
Brickyard 4538, preceding arrival, reported a TA, about 2 more miles at 1,200 feet. It's been happening all morning. Let me know if you see anything. No one else has seen anything except for on the TCAS.
Alright, we'll check it out. We'll let you know.
Brickyard 4538, runway 19er, clear to land, traffic will hold.
19, clear to land, Brickyard 4538.
Brickyard 4528, runway 19er, line up and wait.
Runway 19er, Brickyard 4528.
Alaska 5, you'll be next. Good morning. Brickyard 4469, turn right taxiway Foxtrot, ground point 7, have a good one.
Right on Fox, ground point 7, Brickyard 4469. We actually got an RA. We had to dive to the river.
Roger, ground point 7, and if you could, repeat it to her so that the soup can write it down.
Okay.
Yeah, we got a little something there, Brickyard 4538. It appeared to be a target that was 600 feet above us.
Brickyard 4528, 19, clear for takeoff.
4528, clear for takeoff, 19.
And Brickyard 4538, you said how high above you?
It said on the TCAS it was 600 feet above us, and we didn't see anything.
600 feet above, did not see anything visually. Thank you. Blue Streak 5197, Washington Tower, runway 19er, clear to land.
19 clear to land, Blue Streak 5197.
Blue Streak 5197, multiple arrivals are reporting TAs. Not seeing anything out of the windows though, but on the TCAS, about 2 more miles, and I don't have the exact altitude.
We'll keep an eye out. Yeah, we got a TCAS, but we don't see anything either. Blue Streak 5197.
Do you remember where it was?
Yeah, a little bit before Derek. No altitude on a Blue Streak 5197.
Roger, thank you. And you are cleared to land runway 19, Blue Streak 5197.
Runway 19, Blue Streak 5197.
Ground Brickyard 4469, vacating on Foxtrot for Charlie 27. We got an RA for you to copy whenever you want.
Brickyard 4469, Roger, Juliet 2827.
Juliet 27, Brickyard 4469.
And Brickyard 4469, go ahead with the information that you have. This has been a common occurrence all morning.
Hey, from Brickyard 4469, just about over Fonby, 1,200 feet. We got a descending RA. We got out of it about 1,100,000 feet.
And did you actually visibly see anything other than what the TCAS was showing?
Negatives. It was just a unknown target descending out of us.
Alright, that's the same sort of reports we've been getting. It just seemed like it had stopped, but it sounds like it's starting again. Alright, so that was approximately 1,200 feet. You went down to about 1,000, and what was the fix you were over when you said it? I didn't catch it.
We are just over top of the Fonby intersection on the Arnav Zulu 19.
Fonby for the Arnav Zulu, thank you.
Alien.
Maybe.
Roger. Brickyard 5802, we had an RA over Grays.
Brickyard 5802, Roger. We're going to get more information once you land.
Blue Streak 5146, River Biz 19.
Blue Streak 5146, Washington Tower, welcome aboard. Runway 19er, clear to land, reduce to final now.
19, clear to land, reduce to final. Blue Streak 5146. Blue Streak 5146, reporting traffic around our 11 o'clock. We got anything out here?
Negative. Blue Streak 5146, no known traffic between you and the facility. Still clear to land 19.
Clear to land 19, Blue Streak 5146.
Brickyard 5802, turn right Foxtrot, right Juliet, and stay with me. What did you experience on final?
Fox Juliet, stay with you. We're at Grays, maybe 1,200 feet, 1,100. We got an RA for descent to 200 above. We saw nothing out there though. And we can ground 4.
American 523 Washington.
523, go ahead.
American 523, runway 19, clear to land, chest holds in park.
Clear to land, runway 19, American 523.
American 523, not sure if you've heard, but multiple rivals reporting TCAS RAs or TAs on final. No known targets between you and the field.
American 523.
Streak 5146, possible down to Alpha, Juliet, cross runway 22, ground point 7.
Alpha Juliet, clear across runway.
Then Blue 6197, when able, just give me the information about the TCAS RA.
Yeah, so we got two. First one was before Slacker. It wasn't an RA. First one was before Slacker. Second one was maybe near, was near Derek, Blue Streak 5197. It was not an RA.
Thank you.
Washington Tower, Blue Streak 5098 on the river visual 19.
Blue Streak 5098, Washington Tower, reduce the final approach speed, traffic will hold in the park. Use caution, TAs and RAs reported on final. No known traffic between you and the field, runway 19, clear to land.
Blue Streak 5098, thanks for the heads up, we'll slow the approach speed now.
Washington Tower, envoy 3630, river visual 19.
Envoy 3630, Washington Tower, runway 19, clear to land, traffic will hold in the park prior.
Alright, clear to land 19, envoy 3630.
Envoy 3630, there's no known traffic between you and the field. We've had multiple arrivals today, report TAs and RAs for unknown targets. Use caution.
Roger that, thanks, envoy 3630.
Tower Southwest 704, RP 19.
South 704, Washington Tower, use caution. Multiple reports today on final of TAs and RAs for unknown targets. There's no known traffic between you and the field. Traffic's going to hold in the park prior to arrival, runway 19 or clear to land.
Alright, copy all, clear to land, runway 19, Southwest 704.
Blue Streak 5098, we did get the TAs, we got two TAs on arrival.
And so you said you got two TAs, Blue Streak 5098?
Yes ma'am, we got two TAs, one about short final for the runway, and then the other one was probably about 3 miles back.
Thank you.